the Talk Back and You're Dead?
Talk Back and You're Dead. It's from a book, and now I'm making a movie out of it. Really excited. Just finished reading the script, and we can't wait to get started.
So what's the story about?
No,
Agad ngayon na.
Agad. Hindi, so ano, parang di ba yung Diary ng Pangit? Very obvious naman yung ano.
Yeah. With this, we're going to give you a more mature storyline than Diary ng Pangit. Diary ng Pangit is about parang first love, coming of age, kaya this one mas intense.
Like, how?
Like,
Intense.
intense sa drama sa...
Intense sa drama, mas intense, pero fun.
Okay.
Fun pa rin. It's still there. Yung pinanggalingan namin from Diary ng Pangit na mga bagets, ganyan, na fun-loving people. Ito rin ganon, pero mas may deeper kwento dun sa pelikulang Talk Back and You're Dead.
So, how is it? You're working with Direk Andoy again?
Masaya. Kasi before sa Diary ng Pangit, sobrang nag-enjoy kami with Direk Andoy. Kasi no pressure at all. Pero this time, hindi ko alam.
Parang may pressure na this time sa aming lahat. Because we have to step up, 'di ba? I mean, all their fans, yung fans din ng book, is expecting a lot from us, from the makers and also from the actors. So, I'm expecting a lot from them this time. Parang, okay, that's what I told them kanina. 10 knots higher, diba? So, it makes the work more exciting and more fun.
Yeah, James.
I'm glad that we're working with Direk Andoy again, because we're comfortable, so hopefully it'll be easy, it'll be fun.
Yeah, okay. Tell us about the characters that you'll be portraying this time.
Actually, my character, meron siyang similarities with Cross.
Ako?
Some similarities.
Okay.
But,
Except that, anong difference naman niya?
Swear.
Mas may angst. Mas may angst.
May angst pa!
Mas may angst pa. So, kung si Cross before na may angst, na angsty teenager, eto mas may angst, pero mas ako, sa akin personally, when I read the book, mas parang gusto kong mahalin at kupkupin tong si Top kaysa kay Cross.
Okay, so are you ready for that character?
I mean, we'll be taking acting workshops again with Fenolina.
Yeah.
But also with Fenolina to get into character.
Kaya ba ni James? Meron ba siyang paghuhugutan para sa
Ay, ang dami.
dito kay
Oh yeah, I always believe in them. They're very talented and easy to work with because hindi sila mga tamad na artista. Inspired, very inspired. So, he can do it. I know both of them can do this. Especially with Nadine's character.
Ano naman yung character?
Ay, ito naman extreme different.
Yeah.
Sobrang extreme from Aya. Kasi social na siya dito.
Wow!
Mayaman na. Ganyan.
Yes.
Inglesera. Ganon. So, mas exciting, di ba? Mas makikita natin yung versatility nila. And also, mapapakita pa ng mga bata yung kanilang talents.
Yeah, so how excited are you?
Very excited. Kasi parang after Diary ng Pangit, right after, meron kagad follow-up project. So excited na kami ni James and syempre ni Direk to start.
Not even 1 month.
Yeah.
Not even 1 month. So we're really shocked.
And you're super excited.
Very excited.
Okay.
Love team na ba sila? Package na ba na kasi after the success of Diary?
Yeah, I believe so. They're going to do this film again as the lead characters. So, I believe they are love team and ako yung pangatlo. Yes! Dali isali! So,